Hey y'all, it's your girl Asia, and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna be talking about why you should be smiling more. Because why you walking around town with a RBF? People don't want to talk to you when you're looking like this. Cut it out. We're building self-awareness, right? With self-awareness comes your facial expressions, the things that everybody sees. So as we're doing that, I'm gonna let you in on some secrets on why smiling is good for you. So first things first, smiling signals the brain to release endorphins. Endorphins are chemical signals in the brain that block the perception of pain and stress. The primary stress hormone is cortisol. So since the cortisol is already there, once the endorphins come in, they basically counteract the effects of the cortisol by lowering your blood pressure and slowing down your heart rate. And when your blood pressure and your heart rate are down, it reduces the feelings of stress and anxiety. Okay, a little quick, little science lesson, if you will. But because smiling releases these endorphins, there's a little chain reaction of things that kind of automatically happen once you get that ball rolling. So because of the releasing of endorphins, a number of chain reactions are likely to occur. Number one, as we just spoke about, it alleviates the feelings of stress and anxiety, and it can also help with physical pain. Whenever you're feeling stressed out, if you're feeling anxious about something, if you're just like, hold up, wait a minute, my mind is on 10 right now and I can't function, I can't process, sit there and just smile. Even if it is not a real smile, it does not have to be a real smile in order for these endorphins to be released. You can smile your fakest smile and it will still help you out a little bit. So if you just gotta sit there, if somebody is looking at you or stressing you out and you're trying not to curse them out, look at them. Or you don't have to, don't look at them actually. Close your eyes and just smile. It could be a fake smile. It don't have to be real. Even if you don't feel like it, just smile. It'll help you and the people around you. It's probably helping the people around you more. But anyways, leading into number 2, it helps boost your mood. When you're smiling, I don't want to say you're tricking your body, but when you're smiling, you're giving a signal to your body that you're happy and that you're feeling positive. So even if you're not actually happy or not feeling positive and you just need a cheat code on something that you can do that is simple, you don't need anything but yourself and your willingness to feel better, just sit there and smile. I'm not gonna lie, I've been having to use this for the past 3 days or so because people are testing me. People are testing me. So sometimes you just gotta sit there, be grateful for all that you have and all that is around you, and just smile. I am grateful that I have the ability to smile. Just if someone is getting under your skin, if you're trying to turn over a new leaf like I am, this is a great tool to keep in your pocket whenever you are feeling overwhelmed or in a not so positive mood. And you just need a little pick-me-up. You don't have to go anywhere or do anything. You just literally just sit there and just smile. Think of the things that actually make you smile. That's a good way to make it a little more real. If you're not a fan of fake smiling, think of the things that you are grateful for that make you smile. It's crazy because we're talking about smiling and I can't help but smile. That's weird. It's weird. And if you're smiling watching this video, let me know in the comments. And also, if you're smiling watching this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so you don't miss my weekly uploads. And hopefully I bring smiles to all y'all faces because that would make me very happy. Number 3. You look better when you smile. Everyone is more attractive when they smile. Don't be trying to come for people's grills, okay? Don't do that. No matter what is under this hood right here, when people are smiling and they're happy and you see it on their face, they are way more attractive and they look way better. It takes more work to do this than it does to just smile. Like, come on. Did you see the difference? Look at this. Smile. Look, it just brightens everything up. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Put the RBF to rest. Put her to rest. She needs a break. She's been on call 24/7. We need to put her to sleep. She needs to go on vacation. She needs to take a sabbatical because we have the smile coming in to replace her. Come on. And last but not least, smiling is contagious. So if you can reap the benefits of smiling while then passing it on to someone else who will then also reap the benefits of smiling, and it's free, all it takes is just a little flex of a muscle and you're feeling better, and now someone else is feeling better. It's a win-win situation here, people. That's all we need is a little more smiles in this world, okay? With that being said, we have our weekly Become an Eco Warrior deed tip, if you will. Plan your meals in advance to avoid any potential food waste and ensure that you're using all of your produce. This I can use because there'll be times where I'm in the grocery store, I'm like, ooh, vegetable, ooh, yeah, this, that. And then I get home, I put it away, and then I forget it's even there. Another good thing to do is actually put it where you can see it so that you don't forget that it's there. When you're buying things in the store, let's say you're not buying off of a recipe or anything. When you buy in the store and you get home, I like to look up recipes, recipe with blank in it. So like if I bought cabbage, recipes with cabbage in it, and then you have a whole bunch of ideas to go from. Other than that, thank you for watching my video. Remember, your mind is your only limit. Let's not forget. So if you find yourself unable to smile, and you're just like, I can't do it. Like, I'm so mad right now. I can't even smile. That is your mind putting a limit on what you can and cannot do. Instead of saying, I can't smile, I'm pissed, I can't even think about smiling right now. Think about yourself. Think about the benefit it could be for you. And especially if you're overreacting in a situation, we don't want to overreact. So if we have to take a second and recollect and recalibrate, and we just have to smile, sometimes it's worth not having that argument. It's worth not having that headache, and things can get better. Messages can be communicated easier. That is my advice to all of you this week. Smile more, worry less.